Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I've recorded a fire and ice tutorial. So I've incorporated some new products into the tutorial today, and it's something a little bit different, a little bit fun, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now, so I've just printed off an image of a flame, and I'm just using this to outline the outside of my flames, and I'm just starting off with shadow 382 on my 13p, just shading that out, and then sharpening up my lines using my 39 HT lip tint using my 12S brush. Now I'm filling out the centre of my flame using an orange 104 under eye concealer, and this is just going to create the base before I put on my shadows. Now I'm grabbing shadow 108 from the Rainbow Collection, which is a nice bright orange, and then I'm setting the centre with shadow 103 from the Rainbow Collection as well on my 29 PO brush. And I'm starting off with all covered concealer in shade 13 on my 22T and 27 PO brush, and I'm just pressing this on and really working it into my lid. Now I'm going to start building up my colours, so I'm starting off with shadow 367 on a 48SS brush, then I'm moving on to 371 using a bullet brush, and this is just going to intensify my colour, and I'll go back in then with my 48SS brush just to blend it out and soften my blend. Now I'm just taking a smaller bullet brush, which is the 49SS brush, and I'm taking shadow 389, which is a dark navy, and this is just going to intensify the crease area. Now I'm just taking my jawline on a 22T brush. This is one of my favourite parts of the look, so you're just taking my concealer brush, just sharpening up that crease, taking your time, just cleaning it right up. Now I'm just going back in with all covered concealer in shade 13, and this is just going to be my base for any pigments and glitters I use in the next steps. Now, so I'm just repeating the same steps I've used on top, so my navy colour, my nice blue, and then my soft pastel blue, and this is just going to create a smoky lash line. Now again, I'm just repeating all these steps underneath, so starting off my navy, then going in with shadow 371, which is a nice bright blue, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a little bit of a softer shade. Now I'm starting off 52 Body Sparkles, which are a beautiful pastel blue sparkle. I'm going to move on to the Inkblot 10 Pressed Pigment in shade Party Killer, which again is a lovely blue shade. These are a beautiful pressed pigments, so you can just press them down onto the lid and they provide that beautiful amount of shine. Lastly, I'm going in with pigment 113, which is a nice blue pigment, and again using the same brush 13p, just press it on and work it right into the lid. Now, so I'm just going back in with all covered concealer in shade 13 on my 27 PO, and I'm just brightening right up underneath the eyes, and then I'm going in with shadow 135 on my 6SS blending brush, and this is just going to provide a nice iridescent blend. So I'm just going back in with my bullet brush on with my shadow 389, and then just going to smoke out the kohl pencil I've applied into my lash line. Now I'm going back in my favourite foundation, which is the All Covered Foundation in shade 16, and I'm just using my 38SS brush to really work it into the skin. Now I'm just going back in with one of the rainbow shadows, which is shade 135. I'm just using the lighter colour from this shadow, and I'm just highlighting the high points of the face. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys want to see some more of these tutorials, don't forget to subscribe below.